Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will show you how to make this magnificent Pisa Tower. It's not complicated as it seems, I promise. You'll need just a lot of patience. So before we start, you have to know that every color highlights the piece ready to be cut. You can find the download link in the description of this video. I've already cut the cylinders that will make the structure of the tower. Then I'm cutting the arches and the top piece. This one is really gorgeous. I really like how it came out. I also really love the railing. I mean, I love every single thing that will make my tower a lot more realistic and detailed. Like these columns. Yeah, I know what you think.
But the real ones don't actually have decorations on it.
Yeah, but it's my tower, my rules. Don't expect this tower to be exactly like the real one. It's an interpretation. I also don't have the architectural knowledge needed. Oh well, that's a lot of pieces. I guess I will get fun with the assembly process. So I'm very happy for the color that I choose for the tower. It really seemed to be concrete. Anyway, I want to show you how I painted all the infinite pieces because you'll go nuts. So here's a fast sequence of me painting. Finally, the fun part came. I used silicone to glue pretty everything. Look at the door, it's wonderful. This is a recycled excess piece that came out from this. I will use it as a template to perfectly align the decorative square. It's time to position the arches. I will put them at a height that seems acceptable enough to momentarily assemble the columns. I did that because before starting glue them, I needed to have some kind of template above the columns to position them correctly. Make sure to put them right in the center of the lower part of the arches and continue. I would like to see your tower or some other sculpture you did that you're proud of, because I'm so proud of mine. Don't hesitate to write me if you're having any issues making this project. Oh, also, write us down below in the comments what would you like to see in the next video.